Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to convert images to PDF on your iPhone without use third-party application. You just use as a by default application features and very easily convert images to PDF. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So let's start as a mobile screen. Now let's start as a demonstration. First of all, open here picture application. Several pictures I have, but I convert one of the picture here. So suppose for example I want convert this particular image as a PDF format. So you just simply press here share option. Inside the share option, several menu is available. You just save this picture in particular location, save as a file. Here two options are available. One is iPhone, Google Drive, and iCloud also. So we go with as iPhone, and I save this picture in demo file. Save. So after saving, I close the photos and I open here file manager. Inside the file manager, I save this file in demo file. And look at this, I want convert this particular image, like here this image, to PDF format. Press here as a long press, and inside the long press several options are available, and create a PDF options also available. You just simply create. So look at this, within a second this image convert as a PDF format using these tips and tricks, and that one is absolutely free, available on iPhone. And then after, you can very easily share this file any place using the share option. It's very simple tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.